Hi, grade 11s. Today we are finding the equation of an exponential function. And in this question, it says, in the following sketch, this graph is given. And they give you the graph and they ask you to determine the values of P and Q. The P and Q is this P and that Q over there. Okay, so they give you a kind of a standard form, and we are going to start with that standard form. You write that down. Okay, so this Q in our formula, this Q over here, that refers to this horizontal asymptote over here, this line. That line is called y is equal to 1. So the Q value is 1. So I'm going to write that down. Y is equal to 2, x plus p, and this stays a positive 1. That's your first mark for subbing in Q. Step number 2, we're going to sub in a point. Did they give me any point on this exponential? Yes, this point over here. That point is 0 and 3. So I'm now going to substitute 0 and 3. So I'm going to substitute 0 and 3. So wherever there's an x, you make it 0. And wherever there's a y, you make that 3. So this becomes 3 is equal to 2 to the 0 plus p, and then plus 1. And now we're solving for p. You take the 1 over. So this stays 2 to the p, and this becomes 3 minus 1. So this is 2, and this is 2 to the p. And the base numbers are the same. So if there's no power, there's a 1 over here. So when the base numbers are the same, this is equal to that. So that's my final answer. P is equal to 1. So I've solved for P and Q. Therefore, the equation of my exponential function is y is equal to 2 to the x plus 1. Y plus 1 because P was a positive 1. And then my Q was also a positive 1. And that's the equation of the exponential function.